Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Shopify API key. First, you will need to log into your Shopify admin panel. Once inside, navigate to the Settings section, which is typically found in the bottom left corner. From there, click on Apps and Sales Channels. On the next screen, locate and click the Develop Apps button. If this is your first time, you will be asked to allow custom app development. Simply confirm to continue. Now that custom app development is enabled, it's time to create your specific application. On the app development page, click the Create an App button. You will be prompted to give your app a name, choose something clear and relevant to its purpose. Also, provide an app developer email address. This email is important for notifications and contact. After filling in these two pieces of information, click Create App to generate your new custom app. With your app created, the next step is to configure its permissions. Navigate to the Configuration tab for your app. Here, you will find the Admin API Integration section. Click Configure. This is where you define what data your app can access and modify. Select only the specific Admin API access scopes that your app truly needs for security. Once permissions are set, click Save and then Install App to complete the setup and generate your access token. Finally, it's time to retrieve your API key and access token. Go to the API Credentials tab for your custom app. You will see your API key listed there. For the Admin API Access token, click the Reveal Token Once button. This token is shown only one time, so it is critical to copy it immediately and store it in a secure location. Treat both your API key and access token with extreme care, as they grant powerful access to your store's data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.